Let's go ahead and improve the navbar also, and I'm going to provide the template for you. So I'm going to create or place it inside the template folder, which is this, and this one represents public navbar. We're gonna have one for private, and let's look at the structure. Over here we are using headless UI from React and some hero icons and then React icons, and this is the structure. Here we have the link that points to home, and that is a /, and this is for the creators ranking and create account and create post, and then we also have one for the mobile devices as that. All right, so let's go ahead and then use this particular component. Let's get back to the app.js file and let's require the public navbar, which is this. I think I have it here already, which is this. Yeah, I think it is inside. So let me, which is this. So let me remove this one from here. And we are going to use the one that I have provided and place it here. And now let's get back to the app. I think we have the navbar already here, which is this from the previous videos. And let's look at the result. And we have these warnings, and that is at headless UI React is not being installed. Likewise, hero icons / React. So let's go ahead and then install these particular packages. So let me get back to the React side of it and then shut down and then npm I, and we also need the hero icons / React. All right, so let's install them. All right, let's go ahead and run the server and let's see. As you can see, we have the navbars over here. And then for the creating of the post, it takes us to the login page. But don't worry, we can fix that. The good news is that the navbar is working fine. And let's also display the home page. And I'll provide the template for you. So here I'm going to copy the entire of the home page component. And let me close all instances of these guys. And inside the RSLC and home here, let me place it inside the template first, which is this. We have call to action. This is just like some styling, and then features for this application, and then the home page here. So this home page takes in these guys, which is the features and then the call to action. For the meantime, let me comment out these guys. And up here also, let's go ahead and then remove everything from here. We will start from scratch. What we need is to display just the UI, and also, yeah, I think for these ones we may need it. So let me go ahead and then remove the home from here, because now we have the home here inside the template, and then copy that and then place it inside the component. And now let's see the differences and let's refresh it. I think we have an error. Let's see the error messages. It says that 404 not found. Well, let's see. Let me get back to the home here and let's get back to the app.js file. Okay, here is supposed to be home but not home page. So here is going to be home component from the template. And now let's see, refresh it, and now we have the home page component being rendered. So let's go ahead and also provide the right path to this component as create post. So let me close the instances of these guys, likewise this, and let's get into the app. I want to locate the create post here, and let's get back to the public navbar. And for the create post, we are going to use this. All right, supposed to be this one. Okay, so now if I click on this, now we have the form. And if I go to latest post, I think here I used post here, so let me also change the path to just post. Here I use list instead of post. All right, and there we go. And for the images, let me use some dummy image. So let's go to pixabay.com, and over here we can use free stock license images. And what I want, I like nature, so let me use something like this one, and then right click and then copy image address and back to the React side of it, and that is inside the list of posts where we have the images or image, which is this. Let me uncomment and use this dummy image here. When we get to file upload, we will come back and then fix it. All right, and now it looks beautiful than before. What has left is to be able to apply the CSS. So I'm going to provide that CSS for you. So I'm going to place it inside the post component, which is this. And let me add to the template also for the CSS. So we are going to require it inside the post list. So up here it's going to be import, and then we have post.css, and now let's see, and there we go. All right, so I think when I get back here for the post details, it looks weird, right? Unless we also work on this one also. Let's continue in the next video.